Hello, friends. Good morning from Life Business Coach Deepak Choksi. I hope you all must be in good health and spirit with all your family members. Mitro, friends, today I will ask you one question. Please be honest with you. Do you have any symptoms like this? Right now, many of the doctors are asking to their patients or relatives with regard to corona, whether you are having any type of these symptoms. Now, as a life coach, I am asking you one question, very important question. Do you have any symptoms like this? Number one, my earning is not sufficient. I do not have any personal savings. Money comes in and goes out in my life and it never stays. Right now I am under tremendous pressure of paying my EMIs. I am not able to grow my business even though I am in business or industry for 10 years or more. Even though my product is a monopoly item, but not getting enough sales orders. Against working so hard for 100 rupees, I am just getting only 20s. Why? Because my nature of trusting people so easily, I lost huge money in business or industry. I am skilled and highly educated person but not getting good job. Now I don't feel that I will sustain with my current job. Right now I'm under lots of stress and passing through depression. I get trapped in stock market and other businesses and lost huge amount of money. I don't see any bright future for the Indian economy for next 10 to 12 months. I am not getting satisfaction or credit in whatever I do. I have money but feel something missing in my life. I am too old to adopt new technology and hence no future for me. Mitro, friends, you may have such type of feelings in your mind. You should worry. It's not a healthy sign for growth and success. Friends, life is like a seminar where we get enrolled as a participant through birth without any prior practice, experience and knowledge. Most people believe that money is most crucial element as blood in our life, human body. But the matter of fact is most people don't have any formal training of easy way of earning the money. Since childhood, we have been taught and trained to study and get the degree from the universities and do a decent job either in bank, government or any multinational company. Our parents, our friends, our relatives are forcing us in such a manner. And nobody talked about our relationship with the money, how we can improve our relationship with money. And because of this fact, we never come to know how we can improve our relationship with money, and that is why most of the people are struggling in their financial matters. People either have very bad or average relationship with the money. We have seen all these years that why they fail because they don't have any good relationship either or they are having a bad relationships. Reason being that they either stuck up with their 9 to 6 routine job An industry people or a businessman are putting lot of efforts and still feeling unhappy and running great risk in the business and industries. Now you will have question in your mind. How one can find a true relationship with money? Whether it can improve? And what are the benefits that one is going to have? Is there any solution? Friends, believe me, for every problem there is a solution. Good news is that, first of all, don't think that this video has come to you by a chance. Everything happens, it happens for a reason. Find out why. Why you are listening to this video? Why you are viewing this video? God wants to help you. Believe in the power of the God. Friends, your choices of today will make your destiny. Unless you do something different, nothing is going to change in your life. If you still persisting the old way of routine things, you will get the same result which you are getting up till now. So think differently and take massive action to change your life 360 degree. You don't have any control. You don't have any control on any outside events or circumstances or result or outcomes. Most of the peoples are either working to change their circumstances, their outcome, their result, without changing the inside story, without changing the input, how one can change the output. Remember, your outer world is the reflection of your inner world. Friends, remember these things. Remember, your outer world is the reflection of your inner world. Unless and until you go inside, you cannot expect anything outside. Friends, अगर जिंदगी में सफल होना है, तो तरीके बदलो, इरादे नहीं. अगर जिंदगी में सफल होना है, तो तरीके बदलो, इरादे नहीं. Find out the tarika, find out the strategies. Which strategy you can implement so that it can bring success to your life. Friends, I was once a great struggler, like most of the peoples on this earth. But I took initiative. I took responsibility to change my life and become successful in my life today. Not only I become successful and empowered, but made my mission to make other people empowered and successful in their own life. And whatever success principles I have learned over these years by trial and error and by losing so many my great golden years, but I have decided that I will guide those peoples, those really want to take responsibility for their own life. I will guide them thoroughly. Friends, you may be businessman, you may be industrialist, you may be a retired person, student, housewife. If you want an insight of your problem, a solution to your problem, don't hesitate and doubt. Because when you doubt, the universe is going to stop. Universe doesn't take any single step to change your life. So first and foremost steps you have to take, never doubt anything. So don't hesitate and doubt. Drop a message, yes, I am interested. Or you can call me on 99099 15144. I am repeating my number 99099 15144. I will send you one questionnaire. which will reflect your inner relationship with money and you. And in response to that, I will give you great news for you guys. I will give you free X-ray report. I will give you free X-ray report to first 51 action taker. I want to support only the action taker. Not I. Universe will help the action taker. Remember, now the world is changing so fast because of this corona. In the initial stages, the smartest person was ruling the world. Now the scenario has changed. Now the days are gone. Not the smartest, but the quickest will win the battle. So be fast. Make choice to draft and articulate your own better tomorrow. Friends, with this world, please take care about your health. Please take care about your not physical health but your mental health during this corona period and lockdown period. Friends, be positive, stay happy, stay home. Your life is so precious. Please take responsibility of your life. Nobody else is going to make you successful in life unless and until you take first step. With this word, your life coach Deepak Choksi signing off today. See you other side. Deepak Choksi. Thank you so much. Jai Hind. Vande Mataram.